Morning, everybody. It's 8:47 on this Tuesday morning, the day after Labor Day, first day of school here for uh, kids to go back. I'm sure they're very excited about that. And we have a market that's lower. It's not dramatically lower, but at 8:30, the Dow was down 230, currently down about the same. Nasdaq was down 136, currently down around 120, and the S&P was down about 32, currently down about 29. Asia and Europe are both lower, and there's a little bit of news around, but really not a lot. Economic news, we have the ISM Manufacturing Index for August and construction spending for July, both coming out at 10 o'clock. Also at 9:45, we have the final S&P Global U.S. Manufacturing PMI, the final number for August. So there's really nothing going on prior. Wells Fargo downgrades Boeing. The stock is around 166 and change. I actually would look at Boeing around the 163 area. And the way that I would look at it is with SPR, Spirit. Not Spirit, I'm sorry. Continuously get those confused. Spirit Aerosystems, who Boeing is buying for the equivalent in stock of 37 and a quarter. The stock has been all over the place this morning. According to what I have in the pre-market, it was as low as 32.18 and as high as 36.77. So I'm not sure that those numbers are right, but the last is 34.42. If it got anywhere near the 33 area, I think that I would be a buyer again. The stock is a little oversold. We've traded it before. It's like buying Boeing at a discount, and I don't care what Wells Fargo says. The largest manufacturing company in the United States is not going away anytime soon. And so to buy that at a discount seems to be a more than decent idea that's worked before. The rest of the news is kind of meh. Apple says they're aiming to use organic LEDs in the iPhones in 2025. Big deal. The stock is down $1.32. Tesla wants to introduce a robo-taxi at Warner Brothers Studio. Also, so what? The stock is up $2. Intel, Pat Gelsinger is going to present a cost-cutting plan. Let's remember, this is a guy they paid $150 million to come on board just about 18 months ago, back when the stock was 65. The stock is now under 22. So, good hire and at a reasonable price. So basically, they're paying him $150 million, and all he's done is cut the stock by 2/3. Bank of America upgraded to buy at Deutsche Bank. The stock is down 15 cents with the rest of the market. And Wells Fargo is upgraded to buy from hold at Deutsche Bank, also up 15 cents. So there's really not a lot going on right now. I'm looking at the soybeans for the first time in a while. It looks like it's trying to bottom here. Wouldn't buy it on the breakout here. We're right into some resistance in this 1,015 area. The high for the day so far is 1,008. I would be looking to trade the SOYB or A, doesn't matter, they're basically the same. If we got back down into the 975, 985 area right at this support, we did have a crossover on Friday of the 5 and 20 day back to the upside. If you look at it on the weekly basis, you can see what I'm seeing here. Again, a lot of supply all the way up to 1,050, but at least we have a really strong stop here at 957. That's a long way off right now. But, if we could buy it in the middle here, like I said, around 975, 980, I think that this trade could work back up into the 1100 area. The other ones that I'm looking at are the gold and silver. By the way, the oil complex is down 75 cents. The Israeli issue over the weekend not really affecting the oil. The gold was up a bit. It was up to up about $12 overnight. Now currently basically unchanged. The silver, however, is down 33 cents, and it was lower. I was looking to be a buyer in the 28 and a quarter, 28.50 area. The low today is 28.52. The last is 28.80. I'm a little bit concerned about a bit of a rollover here, as I've been talking for the last 2 weeks. I think that the gold is outperforming the silver. I don't know why, but if the silver were to get down into this, a little bit lower than today's lows, let's call it, versus this close at 28.39, not very far from where we are, 40 cents. I would probably have to be a buyer of either the SLV or the AGQ for a quick bounce. And last but not least, we have the Disney Direct TV kerfuffle. Disney holding off some of their programming in selective areas, trying to coerce DirecTV and their customers to be adding services whether they want them or not. Okay, last on the Dow, down 223. Last on the NASDAQ is down 122. The 10-year is back to a slight discount, and the S&P is down the same 32 that it's been pretty much all morning. All right, everyone. Have a good day. Be careful out there. It is September, and I know that it seems like, it would be a surprise if they just flicked a switch here and we started down, but we have started down on the day on really no news, so let's see how it develops. Friday is the big day.